Without wasting any time, let us dive straight to the tutorial. So this is how to play the right hand. Yes. That way. That way. Again. Slowly. Start from there. And play there. Back. Then we complete it that way. Now let us move to the bass. 1, 1, 5, 1, 4 3 times. 1, 1, 5, 5 3 times. Back to 1, 1. Now I want us to combine both hands.